Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a different type of video for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. But anyways, today I'm going to be organizing my bookshelf with my makeup. But first I'm going to show you how my makeup is, so you guys could be like,
holy cow, you actually needed the bookshelf.
So I don't have a lot of makeup. Well, I don't know. You guys let me know if you think I have a lot of makeup. I'll show you right now how I have my makeup because I don't have a vanity. I don't want to get a vanity until we move. We're not sure we're gonna move, but if we do, we might move to Colorado again, or we might move to some other house here, but we'll see. So as you guys could see, I don't have a lot of makeup. I just have a few lipsticks there, little lipsticks there. I do have these little organizers thing, but it's like all cluttered, and I had bought this to put highlighters or blushes or maybe small palettes. Everything's a mess right now. And then I have my brushes here, and here's my Harry Potter brushes, bigger brushes. Here are my liquid lipsticks, my lip glosses, and then just another organizer here, and I have eyeliners here and new stuff I haven't used. This is just cluttered and I feel like it's going to fall, and I just want to have it more organized. And then here I have more stuff. I have like blushes and this highlighter and just random stuff here. And then here I have a box full of stuff that I haven't used, and that's why I want to organize it in the bookshelf so I could actually see all my stuff and use everything. And here I have masks, and this one is also full of face masks. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's super messy. Hopefully it looks nice. This bookshelf, I got it at Target for only $25, and it is 6 feet tall. I'm going to start organizing this, and I might make this into a time lapse so I won't take forever. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. Okay, so I'm going to have to leave a little gap there because of that.
and ugly, but I'll fix it.
Okay, so this is what I have so far. So up here I put blushes and highlighters, but I'm gonna need a new organizer because it doesn't fit in this little box anymore. And right here I have my brushes, but I wanted to put books here, so I don't know anymore. And then right here I have all my liquid lipsticks and chapsticks. And right here I have lip liners. Right here I have lipsticks, and I got 2 beauty blenders right here. So right here I put all the eyeshadow palettes that I buy or that I got as a gift. This is my newest palette that I got on Amazon. And then right here I have all the palettes that I've received from BoxyCharm. And then right here I have brushes back here, and then I have face mist, primer mist. Well, these are all the same thing. Okay, so right here I have a bunch of stuff that I haven't used. So I need to organize it better because I have all of this here. So anyways, so right here I have my face mask, and here too. And then in here I have more lip glosses and lipsticks. And then right here I have powders. And then right here I have a bunch of lip liners and lip crayons. And then right here I have a bunch of stuff that I haven't used. And then over here I have face cleanser. And then right here I have brush cleanser. I have 2. And then right here I just have like empty bags and stuff like that. And these eyelashes, I'm gonna put them in a giveaway because I don't use eyelashes. And then right here is just empty. I'm gonna put like a fake plant right here or a little cactus, I don't know. So yeah, this is what it looks like so far. If you guys have any ideas of how to organize my makeup, let me know in the comments below. I am gonna buy a bigger tray for this so I could put my blushes and ¿cómo se llama? Highlighters. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of how I organized it. I know it kind of looks messy, but that's pretty much all my makeup. So yeah, that is pretty much all my makeup. Let me know in the comments below if you guys think I have too much makeup. I've seen so many videos of people's makeup collection and I feel like mine is not even 10% of that. But I don't know, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. But yeah, that is all for today. I'm sorry if my face looks oily, it's just super hot in here and I don't have AC. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.